Hi there, Crafty Peeps. Enis here, and I am back with entry number 28 to my hashtag MEMORYDEXMADNESS giveaway. And this entry is coming from Laura at Laura's Plans and Crafts. And you can find her on both YouTube and Instagram at that address. So with that, let me just get right into it. I already opened up the package. Ooh, look at all the yummies. Oh, I'm going to start with this. This is so cute. Look at this. Oh my gosh, Laura, you're so sweet. Everybody thinks about my little Kiki. Oh, he's a stinker, isn't he? So Laura has gifted me this really adorable little notepad book. Oh, so cute. This is a little girl kitty, and she's got a little pearl necklace and a bow in her hair. Oh, I'm definitely going to be using that. I will keep it right on my work desk here to use to take notes and things on. So thank you for that. That is really, really sweet. And then she sent me this. Oh, look here. It says handmade by Laura's Plans and Crafts on YouTube and Instagram. So let me get in there, see what she's included. Okay. Ooh, really pretty. Love the paper. Look at how pretty this is. She's got this, looks like a little folio, and it's topped off with a gorgeous little yellow bow on here. She's made a little pocket, and there's a note in here, and I love the paper. Look at how pretty this paper is. Laura uses the most prettiest papers. I mean, I don't think you can describe it any other way. Everything she makes is just pretty. Okay. But anyway, besides a little pocket here, she's got a couple little enamel flowers on there. So those are cute. And she has a little note here. So let me open that up. It's got a little heart on it. See the little heart there? Okay. Why, thank you, Laura. Thank you. I think you and I already talked about what's inside this little note here, so I'm going to keep that to myself. But adorable. I love the presentation of this. And so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay. Ooh, pretty. Like I said, her stuff is just pretty. So on this side of her little folio, she's included... Oh, it looks like she sent me some little scrap pieces. And, oh, a blank card. Look at this. It's got wood grain on it. It's blank on the inside. She's included an envelope so that I can make my own cards. And she's given me some little goodies to decorate with. That's really nice. Thank you, Laura. I appreciate that. Really appreciate that. And on this side, ooh, she's done the same thing. Only this one is a green and white check. Once again, a blank card and an envelope, and she's included some little papers here that I can use to decorate with. And this one looks like a little ticket. It's very, very faint, so I don't know if it's picking up on the camera, but it is a ticket. It says member ticket for, and then some other little things on there. But those are cute. And then she's got this little piece here, and I love this. Okay, so here is the cursive alphabet. Take note, young people, this is what cursive looks like. I know they don't teach it in a lot of schools anymore, and I think that's too bad because cursive is a beautiful, beautiful way of writing. I love it, and wish they would bring it back, and who knows, maybe they will. And then here's another like ticket piece that she's included with blue and white. That's really cute. And here is a little card. And on the corners, I don't know if the camera's picking this up because it's so dainty and faint because it's tone on tone. We've got a little scroll floral corners on this piece of paper. So everything here that I need to get started in making a couple of note cards for people. Thank you, Laura. That's absolutely gorgeous. I love it, and I love this presentation. So, so pretty. Wow. Let's see if I can get this. I know my bow's not going to look like your bow, but we get the idea, right? Okay. Thank you for that. And then we've got a couple of embellishments here. Let's get into this. Okay. So these things are extras. Okay, so this was a requirement, were a set of embellishments, and this is gorgeous. These are both rosettes, and the background here we've got, looks like she's using a lot of ephemera from whatever paper collection this is. It's a beautiful floral scroll frame. I don't know if you can tell that or not, but it is a frame. You can see it's cut out right here. You can see it's cut out there. She's got this pretty butterfly on a floral background, and we've got some gorgeous little flowers here. I'm going to guess she handmade these. I don't really know, but they look like they're handmade, and I love the little gold centers in them with the little tiny balls on them. Really pretty. And look at how gorgeous that would be on her little folio there. Everything matches everything. It just looks so pretty. And then here's the other rosette. She's got more ephemera on here. In the back, she's layered another frame. We've got another one of those green and white flowers and a pretty little sentiment suite and a gorgeous little bird there. Really pretty. And in the background here, there is another piece of ephemera, and it looks like it has a scalloped edge on it, and it is pink paper with gold and green print on it. Really, really lovely. Gorgeous rosettes. Just so pretty. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And then we have her memdex. So let me grab into that. Can't wait, can't wait. Okay, and by the way, she has packaged her goodies in these cute papers that I can reuse. Look at how gorgeous this is. Both of them have gold accents on them, and they coordinate together, so I can use those for projects. And ooh, she's made a little tag here. This is cute, with a pink ledger paper in the back there, and it says XO. She has a little piece of gold ribbon stapled to there, and a piece of ephemera, a couple pieces of ephemera from whatever collection this is. Love this floral one. Very pretty with the little tiny roses there, and a pretty little quail bird popped up on some foam tape. Really, really cute. Love that. So pretty. And then here is her memdex card, and this is a really cool card. Wow, it's got a pocket in it. And yeah, I recognize this. I know what this is. I'm going to talk about that in just a minute, but let's talk about her memdex card. Look at how pretty that is. Love this blush paper with the gold accents. Really pretty. Gorgeous floral cluster here with the pink and the mint flowers and little gold balls on there, and this pretty leaf cluster in the back. Love the way she's curled up the stem here and added the gold balls. There is a little blue tag on here with a stamp popped up on some foam tape. And it looks like she's got a couple of pieces of vellum. I think it's vellum. I don't know if you can see it there, but some vellum pieces on there to decorate that. So really pretty. Now I'm going to talk about this. First of all, it is very lovely, and let me read the little note that Laura has included. So I had entered her birthday challenge where she challenged us to challenge her to make memdex cards, or I'm sorry, to make ATC cards, and we got to choose the theme and the embellishment. And so mine was shabby chic rosettes. And I think she did an absolutely wonderful job, knocked it out of the park in her representation of my request to her challenge. So what she's done here is she's included this beautiful card with this gorgeous lady. It says, "My darling," and she is standing in a beautiful arch of flowers and greenery. There's a rose pattern that goes around, and she has inked up the edges. She has included some enamel dots on here, gemmies, and included this beautiful white or off-white rosette trim. And then over here she has a piece of an acetate, it looks like beige acetate. I can't really make out what the pattern is, but it kind of gives this a multimedia look. And it is absolutely beautiful. I love this card. I love everything about this whole entire entry she sent me. Everything is beautiful and just beautiful. That's all I can say. But anyway, on the back of her ATC card, she says her birthday is July 18. Her favorite colors are pink, blue, green, and gray. Her favorite candy is hot tamales. Her crafting style is vintage, shabby chic, Disney, and Harry Potter. And you can find her on both YouTube and Instagram at Laura's Plans and Crafts. So this is the entry that I have received, as well as the ATC from Laura to her challenge as well as mine. And I want to thank you, Laura, for this beautiful, beautiful set of goodies that you sent to me. I'm just awestruck with the creativity, the thoughtfulness, and the generosity of all the crafters out there. You, Laura, as well as many others, have encouraged me so much in my YouTube journey here. I want to thank you. I want to thank all of you for your support, for everybody who's entering this challenge. So be sure to check out the entire playlist of all of the projects that I've received so far. Very talented crafters. You just must check out their channels. Some are Instagram, some are YouTube, some are both, and some are just wonderful crafters and supporters who don't necessarily have a channel. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed looking at this gorgeous entry from Laura, from Laura's Plans and Crafts. And I'm going to let you go and catch you on the next one. See you later, Crafty Peeps. Bye-bye.